Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. And this is for the children and people of Grange Early Years Foundation Stage Nursery and Reception of 2022. We know what we're about. We do good listening. You can do it with me. Good listening. We use kind words. We use kind hands for great actions. We say sí, vamos. That's because we love our Spanish as well. So let's train the CC way. And I want you to look at this child. Now, training the CC way means not just learning, but taking the learning and putting it into our head and into our hearts. So it sticks there and we use it when we need it. And look at that child. That child's got their mouth closed, so they're not talking. But, oh my goodness, they are saying something, this child. What are they saying? Well, look at their eyes. Look at the whole way they're sitting. They're telling us, I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. And that's what we want at Grange. We all want to be really good at being ready to learn. And I have a wonderful song for you. And sometimes I do come into your class and sing it with you. So let's sing that song together, because that song helps us to be ready to learn. Are you ready? Let's see, let's see, let's see who's sitting beautifully. Let's see, let's see, let's see who's sitting beautifully, with their arms folded tight and their legs crossed just right, with their back as straight as a tree and their lips sealed with a key. So that's a song, and I know sometimes I'll sing it to you in reception. I've been into singing to you. I'm not sure if I sang it with nursery yet. And I'm going to try and come and visit you and sing that song with you, because when we sing that song, it helps us to just be ready to learn. Should we do it one more time? Ready, ready, everybody? Let's see, let's see, let's see who's sitting beautifully. Let's see, let's see, let's see who's sitting beautifully, with their arms folded tight and their legs crossed just right, and their back as straight as a tree and their lips sealed with a key. So you can be really good at sitting beautifully, ready to learn, just like that child, remember? Ready to learn. Then we are going to make maximum progress. Maximum means the most possible, maximum progress. That's what we're about at Grange. We want to make so much progress. And it's just so good for me sometimes when I just look at our computer systems at Grange and I can see you making progress. I'm so proud of you when I talk to you, when I see you learning, I see you making progress. That's just the best for me as head teacher of Grange. So who are our gold stars of the week? Our gold Grange stars: Rebecca A, and Summer, and Hia, and Melania, and Arta, and Taiba, and Krish, wow, and Yusra, fantastic, fabulous, great Grange gold stars, proud of all of you. And our almost forgot Huneza as well, fantastic. And Niam, well done, fantastic, fabulous gold stars of Grange. Oh, I can't believe it, another person, Nyla Rose, that's wonderful, and Sophia Y. Brilliant, brilliant, everybody. Give yourself a confidence boost. Well done. Class champions, Esma and Bob Marley, Karunya and Bob Marley, and Isaiah and Bob Marley. I am so proud of you. But I wish I had a chance to come and visit you and just ask you about what helped you to be so brilliant. How did you have such a brilliant, great Grange CC attitude? Maybe I'll come this week to see if I can have a chat with you, to see if you can tell me what helped you to be so brilliant. Imperative in Sojourner Truth, and Jinan in Sojourner Truth, and Melania in Sojourner Truth. Well done, children of Grange. So remember, children of Grange, we are powerful. We are kind. We are loved. We are Grange. And we're going to make it. We're going to make loads and loads and loads of progress. We're going to do so well. We're going to learn to read. We're going to learn to write. We're going to learn to count. We're going to learn to calculate. Calculate means when you know how to use your numbers. And we're going to learn to be kind and do great teamwork. And all of us are going to thrive. Now, remember, the reindeer came to visit us at the end of the autumn term. Well, look at this amazing chick over here. The chicks are going to come and visit us. And the classy class of the autumn term, that's the class that I'm going to choose for the chicks to live in. And everybody will be able to come and visit the chicks and see the chicks. The chicks are actually not going to arrive looking like that. They're going to arrive as eggs. And then the eggs are going to hatch and the chicks are going to come out and the chicks are going to grow and they're going to leave as chickens. So looking forward to that. Let's give ourselves a CC salute. Confidence, that's a big word, but that's a word. That means I believe in myself. I care about myself. I'm kind to myself. That's confidence. Say it with me. Confidence. And then look at our beautiful world, our beautiful planet. Let's circle our hands outwards because we don't just think about ourselves. We don't just care about ourselves. We care about our beautiful world. We care about everybody and everything in it. And we know that kindness is strength. We are kind people. Say that word with me. Consideration. We think about people and we think about the world and we care about the world as well. So confidence and consideration. That's the Grange CC way. CC salute. So let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.